Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, as the title of the video says, I'm going to be sharing with you a quick snack recipe, evening snacks that you're going to love. Let's get to today's video. I'm going to start the video by peeling my potatoes. I had 10 to 13 potatoes and baby potatoes. So I'm just going to quickly peel my potatoes as shown in the video. So you can use the number of potatoes that you want. Since this is deep fried blooming potato recipe, when you are peeling your potatoes, make sure you get rid of the black spots that always remain in potatoes so your potatoes can be smooth. And then I washed my potatoes. I'm then just going to use my knife to cut across my potatoes like you've seen in the video. I'm just going to make marks with my knife to make sure that my potatoes are cooked. Even in the inside, the marks are really going to be helpful. I'm sorry about that. Moving on, I'm going to preheat my oil until it's hot. And then I'm going to just dip my potatoes as shown in the video. So since we are frying a whole potato, without cutting it or chopping it, you have to cut them across like I've shown you in the video so the inside of your potatoes can cook. So I'm just going to be adding my potatoes to my karai after preheating my oil until it's hot, and then I'm going to just be patient, and the heat has to be medium to make sure that our potatoes are cooked even in the inside. So you have to just be patient and check on your potatoes and turn them after 2 to 3 minutes to make sure your potatoes are evenly fried. I'll leave you to watch me for a bit and I'll be right back. These potatoes are so perfect for the evening. You just have to make sure you fry them and be patient until they're crispy on the outside and a little soft on the inside. So after some time, my potatoes are now fully cooked, and like you can see, they're turning golden brown. I'm now just going to remove them from my karai and then I'm going to set them aside. Moving on, I'm going to make some fresh tomato paste. I'm going to add a little oil to my pot, and then I'm going to add 2 medium-sized chopped ripe tomatoes. Your tomatoes have to be ripe. I'm sorry about that. And then I'm going to add a pinch of salt and some ginger to give it a little taste. I'm going to cover my pot and soften my tomatoes, and like you can see, our fresh tomato paste is ready. I'm going to set that aside, and then moving on, I'm just going to add my potatoes to a large plate, the white large plate that you can see right there. I'm going to sprinkle some salt to taste as shown in the video. And this is how our tomato paste look. So to our tomato paste, I'm just going to add some cayenne pepper and some black pepper to give it a little heat. I'm going to add a pinch of each pepper, and then I'm going to mix as shown in the video. So you can use tomato sauce for this part of the video. For me, I wanted this to be more natural taste, I I wanted the tomatoes to be natural and to give this recipe a natural taste, something like that. I know you understand that. So moving on, I'm just going to bend my potatoes as shown in the video, so that the parts that I cut, the crossings that I told you to do, so your potatoes can cook even in the inside. I'm going to bend them, and then I'm going to add my fresh tomato paste inside those bendings and on the outside. I'm sorry again. And then I'm going to sprinkle some fresh chopped coriander as shown in the video. And the fresh tomato paste plus the coriander did a really good job for this recipe. And like you can see, our snacks are ready. It's really simple, quick, and really tasty. I hope you love this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.